Hi foodies, welcome back. Today's recipe is a simple street style chutney sandwich with a special chutney. This is also an anytime snack, so let's start. Come on. Let's make an awesome chutney first. Now you can make and keep this chutney ready in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 days. All ingredients are fresh for all the herby flavors to come out and mingle. Add a little water at a time to make a thick, smooth chutney. This is perfect. Now let's assemble the sandwich. Cut off the edges of the bread and you can use these for making breadcrumbs. You can use any veggies you like, but I'm using boiled potatoes, sliced onions, sliced tomatoes and cucumbers. First, an even layer of butter. I'm also using a layer of cheese spread for a creamy taste. Use as much as you like. Now a nice thick layer of the chutney. And now time to assemble with all the veggies of your choice. This is such a yummy, quick and easy evening snack that everyone loves. If you have all the preparation ready, then this is a super quick recipe. The detailed recipe is in the description box below. Season well and time to close the sandwich. If you like my recipes, then click the subscribe button and the bell icon for such yummy and quick recipes I show every week. Cut any way you like and it's ready to serve. This goes perfect with your evening tea. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next week. Bye.